Maya, look! It goes on forever!
Wow, why did they build this?
To protect China from invaders. It took over 2,000 years to build.
Whoa, that's older than a T-Rex. Oh wait, no it's not.
Ah, pandas only eat bamboo, right?
Yep, and they eat up to 40 pounds a day.
That's like eating 200 carrots every day. I'd turn into a rabbit. This place is huge. How many rooms do you think are inside?
Over 9,000 rooms.
That's like a hotel with rooms for every animal in the jungle.
Is that a real dragon?
It's a dragon dance. It brings good luck for Chinese New Year. Whoa! That was our most amazing adventure yet.
What was your favorite part? Comment below and tell us.
Hit like if you love pandas.
And subscribe for more adventures with us.